frame structure is given to us in this question. Also, we have the cross-sectional area of this member and this member. And we know the axial stress of member 1, which is equal to 1200 psi. So we have the stress in this member and we have the cross-sectional area. We can determine the force in this member. And now the question is asking for the value of this force and also the corresponding axial stress in member 2, which is sigma 2. You're going to start solving this question by determining the reaction forces. So this is dx, this is ax, and this is ay. If we take the moments about point A, we can write sigma ma is equal to 0 in this direction. So P multiplied by this distance, which is 24 inches, minus dx multiplied by this distance, which is 50 inches, is equal to 0. So dx would be 0.48 p. And then we know sigma 1 is equal to 1200 psi and a1 is equal to 0.5 square inches. So F1 is equal to sigma 1 a1 or 600 pounds. Now if we use the method of joints for joint D, we can write this is 0.48 p. This is joint D. This was 600 pounds and this is F2. Now if we name this angle alpha and name this angle beta, we can say sine of alpha is this length divided by this length. So it's 41 inch divided by length of BD, and cosine of alpha is this length divided by BD, which is 12 divided by BD, and the length of BD would be square root of 12 in the power of 2 plus 41 in the power of 2, which is approximately equal to 42.72 inches. So sine of alpha would approximately be equal to 0.96 and cosine of alpha would approximately be equal to 0.281. Similarly for beta, we can write sine of beta is equal to this length, which is 32 inches, divided by this length, which is the length of CD, and cosine of beta is equal to this length, which is 24 inches, divided by CD. And for CD, they have 32 and 24. So 32 in the power of 2 plus 24 in the power of 2, which is equal to 40 inches. So sine of beta is equal to 0.8 and cosine of beta is 0.6. Now if we write the equations of equilibrium in the y direction for joint D, we have sigma Fy in this direction is equal to 0. So 600 sine of alpha plus F2 sine of beta is equal to 0. So 600 multiplied by 0.96 plus F2 multiplied by 0.8 is equal to 0. So F2 would be equal to minus 720 pounds, or F2 is 720 pounds in this direction or in compression. So we have 0.48, 600, and this was 720. Now in the x direction we have 0.48 p plus 600 cosine of alpha minus 720 cosine of beta is equal to 0. So 0.48 p plus 600 multiplied by 0.281 minus 720 multiplied by 0.6 is equal to 0. So P is approximately equal to 548.75 pounds. And finally, for sigma 2, we have F2 divided by A2, which is 720 pounds divided by 1 square inches. So sigma 2 would be 720 psi in compression. That's it. We determined P and we determined the axial stress in member 2. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. This is a great way to support us. If you liked the video, press the like button and feel free to write your suggestions or comments in the comment section. Thanks and see you in the next video.